7 tips for overcoming your fear of negotiating your salary. It's time for your annual review. Are you ready? Even the bravest of us has issues when it comes time to talk salary. Negotiating takes a certain amount of courage to begin with. It involves putting yourself out there and risking rejection. When you're talking take-home pay, the whole idea of trying to talk your way to a better salary can be downright terrifying. Thankfully, it doesn't have to be that way. Read on to discover some tips on how to confront your fears and get the salary you deserve. Know your value. Before you even go into the meeting, you should have a clear idea of one crucial thing. What's the average pay for people in your position? You can research comparable salaries online. Be sure to memorize those figures as they'll be necessary. Look at this as give and take. The biggest mistake people make is in thinking they need to do all the talking. In truth, you'll get a lot further by first listening to what the other person has to say. From there, it's time for a conversation, where you each take turns speaking thoughtfully and respectfully. Go deep. Be careful about the questions you ask. They should never be things easily answered with a yes or no. Aim for open-ended questions, which will provide you with the information you need regarding how far you can take the negotiation. Keep things on a friendly level. This isn't a combat situation. Be confident, respectful, and sure of yourself. Have some idea going in what's important. For example, is this negotiation all about the money, or do you have other goals? No matter what's at stake, keep things upbeat and reverent. Expect no. Have a backup plan if things go south. Even if your boss won't budge on salary, you still might be in a position to negotiate for something else, like benefits. A solid plan will keep you from floundering if the worst should happen. Practice. Still nervous? Rehearse the conversation with a friend in a variety of scenarios. Know when to walk. In the end, it might be this isn't the best fit. Rather than make concessions you'll regret later, give yourself permission to leave if you feel you are being taken advantage of. In the end, the key to any negotiation starts with self-assurance, both in yourself and your abilities. By taking time to think beforehand how you would like to go about negotiating for what you deserve, you'll find you feel more ready to face the challenge and more confident of the outcome even before you begin.